discussing how adding water to a container will change the tone. We will be using a wine glass, a bottle, and a shot glass to measure volume and safety equipment. We didn't really need it, but here we are testing the resonance frequency. Again, it's kind of a high pitch sound. Now we'll be changing the effects of it by adding the sound of it, I guess, by adding water. We added two shot glasses. Now listen. And now you can hear that's a lower tone. And we will repeat this cycle one more time. We'll add two shot glasses and it should be an even lower tone. Alright? Now let me explain why this happens. This happens because when you hit the glass, it vibrates, and as you're adding more volume to it, the water in this glass resists the vibrations, so it slows it down actually, and it creates a lower tone. Now we're doing the old rubbing the wine glass trick. You've seen this plenty of times, obviously. Now we're using this the same way we did within the glass, but we're just testing the resonant frequency by rubbing it. Okay, now we're adding two more shot glasses to it, and this will have the same effect. Yeah, when you rub it, it's going to create a lower pitch sound, and it's vibrating by sticking and slipping really quickly, kind of like a violin when you play it. But it's since we're adding water, it's slowing down the vibrations when it happens. And we notice when you add more water, it creates a lower tone when you tap it or rub it, and when you have less water, it creates a higher pitched tone. Finally, we'll try one more method for this experiment. We'll blow air through a bottle, and that was supposed to be a low tone. Now we're at 4 shot glasses to this bottle. Alright. And we're not marketing here, sorry. And do you notice that it's a higher pitch? You really notice it on the next one. Well, the reason this happens is because when you blow air and there's no water or a little water, it has more room to bounce around. And when it has less space because it has more water, it just bounces around more frequently and creating a higher pitch frequency. We can use this concept in the recording studio by adding mass near sound to alter the sound to our advantage. Thank you for tuning in.